Hello, welcome to the world of weird. Today I'm sewing a lavender pomander. I don't know if that's what you call it in the US, but in the UK it's a pomander. It's the thing that you put in the drawers to make your clothes smell nice, or you hang it in your wardrobe. It was the most popular suggestion on the post that I made on the community tab. I've got a square of fabric, it's about 3.5 inches square, and I've folded over one end by around 1/2 inch-ish on the wrong side of the fabric. Okay, now fold it over, matching up those ends. I'm going to sew along this side and this side. Don't sew the end that you've folded. And I'm using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. There's my pedal. There it is. Okay, cut off those 2 corners. That one, careful you don't cut through your stitches. And turn it through the right way. So in the suggestions on the Facebook page and the community tab, there was a suggestion of lavender lemonade. Is that a thing? Is that an actual thing? Has anybody tried lavender lemonade? Or is my friend just trying to make me drink something that's rancid because she thinks it's funny? Poke out your little corners with your pokey stick. Okay, I've also got a little ribbon. You don't have to add a ribbon unless you want to hang it up. And then fill it up. I grew this in the garden, but you can just buy it from Amazon. If you've got any other ideas on what I can make with lavender, let me know in the comments, because I've got an absolute mountain of it. Okay, now go and just stitch across top there. And be careful you don't get a whole load of lavender in your sewing machine. Gosh, that smells amazing. My piece of ribbon is 16 inches, but I will be cutting it down. So I'm going to fold it in half and put it on there like that. And I'm going to go and stitch it in place. And then tie a bow in it. I have got over 30 years crafting experience and my bow tying skills are appalling. When you've got your bow looking like something that resembles a bow, snip off your edges. And remember to cut them on an angle so they don't fray. All done. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the likes and comments on the other videos. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.